Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid with Research That Matters TV. Inflammation is like a check engine light in your body. It tells you something isn't right and that you should pay attention. The first step in discovering the cause of the problem is determining whether you have an acute or chronic inflammatory process. Acute inflammation is short-term and plays a critical role in healing and injury repair. But chronic inflammation is when your immune system continues to produce white blood cells and chemicals even after the injury is gone. If you have chronic inflammation and excess white blood cells flowing through your bloodstream, they might cause a problem and can even attack healthy tissues. If this process goes on long enough, it can change your cells, tissues, and organs and increase the likelihood of disease. One of the most significant challenges is that chronic inflammation is often invisible unless you know where to look. Here are a few of the most common signs of chronic inflammation. Insulin resistance. Insulin helps control the sugar level in your blood. Inflammation can affect how well your insulin levels work. Muscle weakness. Chronic inflammation can cause your immune system to mistakenly attack and inflame your muscles. This can break down muscle fibers and make you weaker. And finally, fatigue. Fatigue is a long-term sign of inflammation, and it can be exacerbated with things like fibromyalgia, multiple sclerosis, and more. If you've noticed muscle weakness, fatigue, or nagging pain, it may be caused by chronic inflammation. Often your daily habits may be contributing to this state of inflammation. Taking the first step towards better health by scheduling your next visit today is a really good idea. Your lifestyle habits can combat chronic inflammation if you take the right steps starting today. I'll see you next week for another episode of Research That Matters TV.